Imagine a world where furry friends and gentle giants are becoming unlikely allies in the fight against mental health struggles. In Singapore, animal-assisted therapy is blossoming, offering a unique form of care for those facing challenges like special needs, loneliness, and stress. But how exactly are animals changing the landscape of mental health care? Let's dive in. 19-year-old Wei Hao, who lives with Angelman syndrome, finds solace and healing in the presence of horses. For him, they're more than just companions, they're gentle healers. The rhythmic movement of riding helps improve his motor skills and balance. This is part of a growing field known as animal-assisted intervention, where specially trained dogs and horses help people manage stress, trauma, and anxiety. Healing Horses Singapore has witnessed a 70% surge in demand over the last 2 years, largely due to increased mental health awareness. As the organization's director, Chitra Rogers, explains, these sessions offer a unique environment, where even children with challenging behaviors find calm. The animals are trained to adapt to sudden movements, and each horse gets ample rest to ensure their well-being. But here's where it gets controversial. Some parents still have safety concerns, especially if their children are hard to handle. To address this, therapy sessions are overseen by a team of trained staff. The global pet therapy market is projected to reach 477 million Singapore dollars by 2030, a significant jump from 331 million Singapore dollars in 2024, fueled by rising awareness and post-pandemic stress. Across Asia, animal-assisted programs are becoming increasingly common, complementing traditional counseling and rehabilitation. Japan embraced this therapy during the COVID-19 pandemic to combat social isolation, and South Korea uses dogs to help patients with dementia. Animal therapy is also gaining recognition in Singapore. A 2015 study revealed that it can significantly ease depression symptoms, lowering stress hormones and boosting mood chemicals. Social Enterprise saw over 820 people benefit from their animal-assisted programs in the past year, a nearly 14% increase. Their initiative, Heydays with Horses, brings miniature horses to nursing homes and active aging centers to improve seniors' mental and physical well-being. But the path isn't always smooth. Organizations like Healing Horses face challenges, including space constraints and the need for more funding to reach lower-income families. Wei Hao, for instance, had to stop his sessions due to funding issues, and his family hopes to get him back in the saddle when funds are available. Nonprofit organization Dogtors faces a different set of hurdles. They deploy therapy dogs and their owners to nursing homes, but not everyone is welcoming. Founder Adele Lau notes that handlers sometimes face criticism for bringing dogs into these spaces. There are also misconceptions that all dogs can do therapy work, or that sessions are simply about playing with dogs. In reality, programs are carefully designed based on clients' therapeutic goals. Many handlers lack proper training to recognize when dogs are stressed, and Dogtors trains them to prioritize the animal's welfare. The growing role of animals in mental health is undeniable. Mental health experts say that interacting with trained animals can be a gentle way to support traditional interventions. Christine Chiu, from the Singapore Association for Mental Health, explains that animals' non-judgmental nature helps young people feel more at ease. What are your thoughts on animal-assisted therapy? Do you think it's a valuable approach, or do you have concerns? Share your opinions in the comments below.